I want to expand a little bit on the concept of creating significant learning experiences. I believe that when we work together, you need to feel that what you do in our class truly matters in your life. To help you create this type of feeling, I want to inspire you to do more than simply store and remember factual information about our course content. Instead, I hope that what you are learning in this class becomes part of how you think, what you want to do in your life, what you believe is true about yourself, and what you value. As the instructor that I am in my mind, hopefully in reality as well, I want to help you create experiences during our time together that enable you to live a more meaningful and full life. This is what I mean when I say I want to help you create significant learning experiences. The last thing I want to introduce you to is my internal belief systems about my students. These are things that I believe down to my core. The first thing I believe is that you're good at math. Period. I have no doubt that you can do math and that you can be successful and that you're good at math. This is something that your belief system won't impact me. Some people say, well, you can believe that all you want, but I don't. Fine. That doesn't matter. I believe you're good at math. I believe you can do this. I believe you can succeed. I believe you can thrive. Nothing you can do in my class is going to change that belief. Second, I want you to do math with other people. I want you to do math with me. I want you to do math with your classmates. I want you to create an entire community around you that's going to support and guide not only the work you do in my math classes and my software classes, but also the work that you do in college. I always like to say that each of my students is the quarterback of a large team of people. The challenge, though, is that we haven't actually finished the draft. One of the things that I want my students to do is to start building that team actively. I want you to do math with other people, me, your classmates, tutors. Talk about this stuff. Get into it. The last thing I want to say is, in my class, it is always okay to make mistakes. The one caveat I have is that you got to learn from them. It's always okay to make mistakes as long as you learn from them. In fact, I like to say that mistakes are necessary for learning. If learning is the fire, mistakes are the wood. The real challenge for us is not to have you avoid making mistakes, but for me and you as a team to create a system by which when you make a mistake, you can track it and learn from it, aka make changes so that that error that you made only shows up once, the time that you made it, and then from that point forward you can make changes so that it doesn't show up again. You only pay once for that error. That's what I like to say. Only pay once. So the things I'll say about when you come into my classroom, I'll bring a bunch of beliefs with me. And the first belief is, you're good at math. Every time I see you, I hope I remind you, you're good at math. When you make mistakes, you're good at math. When you do well, you're good at math. When you're having fun, you're good at math. When you're bored, you're good at math. Second, I want you to do math with other people. I want you to be social about this. That doesn't mean party time. This stuff is going to be hard. It's going to be challenging. It's going to be uncomfortable. Misery love company. Last thing, it's always okay to make mistakes as long as you learn from them. That's a little bit more about me and my philosophy as an instructor, and I cannot wait to serve you. I hope that we as a team make this significant, thoughtful, and fun. Look forward to meeting you in person. Take care.